Uyabona yabaleka akafuni ukuthi kushutwe la. Akafuni ukuthi sishutwe lezi zinto abaziphethe. Sifuna amakhodi namana. Sinika, we are allowed. We find you on the street doing something that you are not allowed to do. You are not allowed to go alone. That's why you want to take the evidence. We want to take the evidence. We want the evidence. Then manje usafuni evidence. Usafuni evidence. Ngayibona? The president. The presiding officer yakhona. Ihambe estradini yodwa no party agents. Nothing. Naka nayibona phi into enje South Africa? Hoyi, laba banumela baboshwe lapha. Ngoba basebenzelwa isi abahambe estradini bebo. Ngabantu bakhe laba. We're going to make it trend on TikTok. We're going to make it trend right now on TikTok. We're going to make it trend on TikTok right now. Wakayibona phi into ukuthi ayisihambe yedwa no party agent uyayishiya thu abagibela iBolt. Wayisiseke hambisa abantu ngeBolt. Manje ama party agent mafana bagibela ahambe nabo bayashiywa ngenkani. Sibabambile. Sishilo sathi sinamafoni sobabamba. Bayawabamba ngenkani bafuna ukwabulala. Ayikhale. Nansi into esiyilindele kwa IEC. Makabone. IEC. Le IEC ifuna iscrap nje immediately after election ivalwe. Ayikho indaba yayo.